If you're currently in career transition or you're looking for a new job, my guess one of the first things you've done is take out your resume, brush it off, update it with the most current position, the accomplishment statements with those positions. And that's what you need to do. I mean, your resume is foundational with your job search. You need it. It's the basics of your job search. But here's something I want you to consider, and that is your resume is also reactive in nature. You see a position out there, what do? You send in your resume, you're being reactive. Your friend says, hey Joe, send me your resume, I'm going to float it around my office. I know a couple of hiring managers in the organization. I know someone in the HR department. What do? You send it, you're being reactive. Although I believe the resume is definitely something of importance, what I also believe that's even more important is the LinkedIn profile, because whereas the resume is being reactive, LinkedIn can be proactive for you. In other words, you could be at the yoga studio, you could be riding your bike, you could even be taking a nap, and yet your LinkedIn is working for you 24/7. My name is Bill Benoist. I'm a certified professional career coach here in Silicon Valley, and in today's video, I want to talk with you about something regarding your LinkedIn profile, and it's a question I'm going to ask you, and that is, are you using your LinkedIn profile as a marketing brochure for the company that you've been working for, or is it your marketing brochure? So I've just opened up my LinkedIn profile. I'm on my homepage. Imagine for a moment that I'm a recruiter and I'm looking for a supply chain manager to fill an opening in my company. What am I going to do? First thing is I'm going to go over here in the search field. I'm going to type in supply chain manager. I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to go to people. Now I've got a little over 4 million. Now, a real recruiter, they're going to do something a little bit different. They're going to be adding some keywords and they're going to be putting in a location. But the bottom line is this, and this is what I want you to really understand. At the end of the day, this is the kind of screen they're going to be looking at. And there's only 3 things on this screen that they will see. One is a photo, if the person has a photo. Number 2 is the person's name. And number 3 is the headline. The headline, by default, that LinkedIn uses is the most current company or the last current company that that person has been working for. In other words, LinkedIn is making that current company or last company into a marketing brochure for that company. LinkedIn is a professional networking environment and it needs to be your marketing brochure. So look at this. First person here, supply chain manager at Impossible Foods. They're using their LinkedIn account as a marketing brochure for Impossible Foods. Supply chain manager at Swagalock, Northern California. Again, they're making their profile a marketing brochure for the company that they're working for. Here's a little tip that I want to share with you, and that is something that career coaches, people that work at career transition companies, they know. And they know is not to make LinkedIn a marketing brochure for the company they're working for. In other words, change this headline. So I want to show you something. I'm going to go up here and without using any filters, any keywords, any location, anything like that, I'm going to just simply type in career coach. I want you to notice what a career coach knows. Okay, almost 1 million. Let's take a look at this. Look at this headline, career coach, helping you get what you want from your career. Executive and leadership coach, career reinvention strategist, senior career coach, helping motivated professionals who want to make a career transition, leadership and career coach, author of Finding Passion, personal transformation strategist. Folks, I don't know any of these people. I noticed that I'm second connection, so with some of them, I'd have to probably dig down a little bit and find out who the first connection is. But the bottom line is this, I don't know these individuals. And the point that I'm making, this is a little trick that career coaches know, and they're going to be sharing this with their clients. Bottom line is this, don't allow LinkedIn to be a marketing brochure for the company that you've been working for. This is your marketing brochure.